10 tips for first-time cruisers. Cruising for the first time creates a mix of excitement and curiosity, with the promise of ocean views, endless food, relaxing days, and destinations unfolding one after another. For many new cruisers, the ship can feel like a floating city where everything operates in its own rhythm, complete with routines and small secrets that experienced travelers already know. The surprising thing about cruises is how they blend adventure and comfort, giving each day a fresh setting without the hassle of constant packing or long travel days. This guide highlights the tips that make a first cruise feel effortless, enjoyable, and full of memorable moments. With a few insights, the entire journey becomes much easier to navigate. Arrive at the port early for a calm start. Arriving at the port early sets a relaxed tone by avoiding long lines and giving plenty of time to complete check-in without rushing. Many new cruisers reach the terminal close to departure time and find themselves surrounded by crowds moving in every direction, creating a hectic first impression. A smooth, early arrival allows space to settle, breathe, and take in the excitement without feeling pushed or hurried. The boarding process becomes gentler, with staff less overwhelmed and shorter queues throughout the security steps. Entering the ship earlier also gives time to explore before most passengers arrive, easing the transition into the new environment. Explore the ship before it gets busy. Cruise. Ships often hold more amenities than travelers expect, from hidden lounges to quiet decks and tucked-away cafes that go unnoticed for days. Exploring early helps new cruisers understand the layout, find favorite spots, and become comfortable navigating long hallways and multiple floors. Many passengers wait to explore later and end up doing so when spaces are crowded, making it harder to appreciate the ship's design. Early exploration reveals scenic corners, peaceful seating areas, and activity zones that might otherwise stay unnoticed. Familiarity with the ship removes uncertainty and gives each day a natural rhythm. This early walk transforms the ship from a maze into a welcoming home base. Keep a small day bag for first day essentials. A small day bag with swimwear, sunscreen, chargers, or other necessities makes the first afternoon more enjoyable, especially since luggage often arrives at the cabin hours after boarding. Many new cruisers forget this detail and spend the early part of the day waiting for suitcases rather than enjoying the ship's amenities. Having immediate access to essentials allows travelers to dip into the pool, explore the decks, or relax comfortably without relying on cabin deliveries. The day begins with a sense of freedom instead of delay, creating a smooth introduction to ship life. This small preparation allows the first hours on board to feel like part of the vacation rather than preparation for it. Choose shore excursions with breathing room. Shore excursions vary widely, from quiet cultural tours to adventurous outdoor activities, and selecting options with realistic timing ensures a relaxed experience. Many new cruisers pick tightly scheduled excursions that leave little room for wandering, reflection, or unexpected discoveries. Choosing an itinerary with a bit of flexibility makes it easier to enjoy the destination, take photos, or explore local shops without watching the clock too closely. Allowing space in the schedule also reduces stress when moving between the port, transportation, and activities. A balanced excursion turns each stop into a memorable chapter rather than a rushed checklist. The experience gains depth when time is allowed to unfold naturally. Use the Cruise app for daily planning. Cruise lines now use apps that organize daily activities, show venue schedules, track dining reservations, and provide real-time updates about onboard events. Many first-time cruisers miss out on convenient features by relying solely on printed newsletters or hallway screens. The app gives a complete view of what is happening across the ship, allowing travelers to plan days easily and avoid missing activities they care about. It also simplifies communication among guests, making it easier to coordinate plans across large decks. With everything organized in one place, the cruise experience becomes more intuitive and smoother to navigate. This digital tool becomes a quiet guide throughout the journey. Visit popular areas during off-peak times. Popular areas like buffets, pools, and lounges can become crowded during midday or just after major events. Yet visiting during off-peak times reveals a calmer, more enjoyable atmosphere. Many new cruisers unknowingly arrive during rush hours and assume the ship feels crowded everywhere, when in reality, certain pockets remain peaceful. Observing ship patterns helps identify windows of quietness where spaces feel open and relaxing. Visiting earlier in the morning or later in the afternoon creates a refreshing break from the bustle. This gentle approach offers a more pleasant experience across the ship's most sought-after spots. Understanding the daily flow enhances the entire onboard journey. Choose the right cabin location for comfort. Cabin location shapes how comfortable the voyage feels, especially for first-time cruisers who do not yet know the layout of the ship. Midship areas often feel more stable, while forward and aft sections have their own charm depending on preferences for movement or proximity to certain amenities. Many new cruisers book cabins based solely on price or availability, without considering how location influences noise, convenience, and ease of access. Understanding the ship's layout allows travelers to select a space that matches their preferred atmosphere. Stay aware of onboard announcements. Announcements on board provide important information about schedules, weather adjustments, dining updates, and activity reminders that help keep each day running smoothly. First-time cruisers often overlook these messages or do not pay close attention, missing small details that could enhance the experience. Staying aware ensures that opportunities are not missed and that unexpected changes do not cause confusion. These announcements serve as a helpful guide throughout the cruise, offering insights that shape daily decisions. Listening carefully helps maintain a sense of flow and rhythm across the voyage. Try new activities to experience the ship. Fully cruises offer activities ranging from live shows to lessons, workshops, themed evenings, and demonstrations, each designed to add variety and excitement to the journey. Many first-time cruisers stick only to a few familiar options and miss out on unique events that create memorable moments. Stepping into something new often leads to unexpected enjoyment, new friendships, and deeper connection with the ship's atmosphere. The range of activities adds richness to each day and breaks up the routine of eating and relaxing. Enjoy quiet moments on deck to take in the ocean. The open decks offer some of the most peaceful spaces on the ship, creating moments where the sound of the ocean, the movement of the breeze, and the endless horizon come together in a calming rhythm. First-time cruisers often get absorbed in onboard activities and overlook the simple beauty of spending time outdoors. Quiet deck time becomes a grounding part of the journey, providing space to unwind and appreciate the scale of the sea. Watching sunrise or sunset from the railing creates memories that define the entire trip. These tips help new travelers settle in comfortably, make the most of onboard features, and appreciate the rhythm of life at sea. To continue exploring helpful guides and travel insights, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share which tip you found most useful for your upcoming cruise. More travel wisdom and destination explorations are coming in the next guide.